Spelling in Zazzle as an artist and creator, why not? I've been doing Zazzle for a long time, more than I wanted to realize. I've been a member since 2007. This is how old I've been using the site. The site is fun. It has gone through a lot of, changes and renovations. And it is just another platform for digital creators and artists, graphic designers to be able to sell their art or designs in products. The company Zazzle acts like a mediator. Everything is just like, any other mediator platform. They keep all the information of the customers and the orders. They ship you as an artist or as a creator. You just upload your designs, incorporate it into the products, and then pretty much advertise. And Zazzle will send you a payment once that your tire is met. It's always, I do have a few stores in here. I have the one with my art, general, and the other one is gift wrapping papers. And at this moment, I'm gonna do some maintenance because I haven't been here for quite a while. So if your products don't receive a traffic for a certain time, they become inactive, and you just have to, optimize it, see what's going on, adjust the title, descriptions, and so forth, and trying to help the platform. The platform will help you to sell, but you just have to do also your part. It's not like, okay, I'm gonna create a design and then you take care of it and sell it for me. That mentality is long gone. You have to be proactive as an artist if you want to bring some income based on your creativity and your creations. So at this moment, I have under my dashboard the product visibility, and it gives you different options. So I have the hidden tab in here active, and these are the products in here that they haven't had any traffic. And part of that is me to blame because I have to redirect the traffic myself, trying to help them sell just like any other store that you are selling a product. So what I do to reactivate them is go into the action button with some inventory. And the first thing I do is to check what items had been disabled because of traffic. So I can, when you go in behind your page in the administration area, in the instant download settings, productivity, product visibility, you can see all your inventory if it is disabled to all, what the public sees, and then you just have to give him a minute, what it is hidden and direct only, and so forth. The items that had been discontinued, is always good idea to check them once in a while, so you can delete them out of your inventory and not to create any clutter. So at this moment, I am going to see the ones that are hidden, that they had been disabled for some traffic issues according to the Zazzle platform. And I have quite a few because I haven't been back here for a while. So it's a total of 28 items. So I'm going to start, and the thing I'm doing right now is just put them back to the public. I will go back then and then optimize them, use different layout on descriptions and so forth. I'm going to make it public, and then you just give it a few seconds and the platform will go ahead and make it public. And I'm going to just go with every single one by hand. Unfortunately, I don't think that there is any other way so far that I can just click and make all publics at once. So this is some of my gift wrapping paper that I have in this site for a while, and it is fun to use my art and then incorporate it into graphic design and things like that. So that's what this is. Always a good habit. Keep it in your calendar every month or twice a month that you want to buy, especially if you have a lot of product to bring and restart those items. Otherwise, your inventory is going to be declining, and you think that you have items still listed and they are already being inactive. So all these are already active for now, and pretty much that's all what I'm going to do for now. and then later on I will come back and optimize my descriptions and see what's going on with the product itself. It's also good to idea to check the discontinued products from time to time, not on this store, but in the other ones. I had some products that they are not selling any longer because the item itself from the they buy blanks, and from retailers, it's already discontinued, so your product is pretty much obsolete. So it's a good idea to just delete the inventory items, so it prevents from cluttering. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for stopping by. Share, comment, let me know how I can help you, and remember to live your creative life. Bye bye for now.